Okay, so in today's video we're going to show you how to test your capacitor. And to do that we just need a multimeter. And the first thing you're going to want to do is discharge that capacitor in case it's got any charge in it previously and you don't want to get a shock. So you can use a screwdriver, or I can just go to use the probe on my meter just to put it directly across both terminals. And you may get a little bit of a spark, you may hear a little snap, or there may be absolutely nothing like there was this time. So that capacitor is discharged and it's safe to touch and do anything you want with it. So you want to take your multimeter and you want to put on a continuity setting, in which case you'll be able to see the needle deflect over as well as hear an audible sound such as this. So in doing that, we know our meter is set, so we're just going to take our two probes and put one on each terminal. And in doing so, what you'll want to see is the needle on your meter shoot upward and then slowly drop back down. And if it does that, then we're just going to reverse our leads, do the exact same thing again, and this time we'll see the needle go up just a little bit higher than it did the first time and come back down. So what's making that meter move is that the battery inside the meter is actually charging our capacitor. And once it's charged with the amount of power that the meter has, it then starts to discharge it and it falls back down. So had we done this test and put our leads on, and if the meter had gone all the way across and made its audible sound and stayed there and didn't drop back down, then your capacitor would have to be replaced. If we did that test and put our probes on and there was absolutely no movement in the meter, or there was no sound, again you would have to replace your capacitor. So that's how you test your capacitor to know if it's good or not.